I have a tiny problem. See this wheel stopper? When I parked my car the other day into the car park lot, I heard a scraping sound at the front. Getting out of the car to check it out, I realized this piece of plastic scraped and went over the wheel stopper curb. Now if I reverse out, I think this plastic might break and fall off. Hi everyone, welcome to another Sky Perspective video. Over these 5 months of me driving my BYD, I'm starting to like the Seal's whiskers more and more. They look really nice and they are definitely head turners. Well, sorry I digress. Let's get back to the BYD ground clearance. I remember many of you asked me in the comments, what is the ground clearance of my BYD Seal? Is it too low? And do I scrape the bottom all the time? I'm happy to say I have not scraped the bottom between the front and rear wheels, which is where the EV battery is at. Not even once. Just to give you an idea of the ground clearance of the BYD Seal, I'm going to use these common 1.5 liter mineral water bottles to give you a feel. The bottle's diameter is about 9 centimeters. And the ground clearance is about 14 centimeters without any passengers in the car. Every day, this is how close my battery gets to the curb when I drive onto the street from my driveway. So far, I haven't hit the underside of the car yet. Let's take a look at how close it gets. So, the 14 centimeter clearance is now down to 6 centimeters. And this is with just one driver in the car without any passengers or load. These are some clips of my BYD Seal clearing humps on the road. Some of them gets really close, but I'm usually careful and slow when I negotiate the humps. For those of you who are concerned the ground clearance of the BYD Seal is too low, what do you think of it now? Leave your comments down below. Like I mentioned earlier, I haven't scratched the underside of the car between the front and rear wheels. However, I did scratch the front bumper and the underside of the car in front of the front wheels. Well, it's just 2 tiny scratches, but they are still scratches on my new car, and this curb is the culprit. I was driving head into this parking lot, and this corner of the diamond curb scratched it. Oh, and remember this piece of plastic underneath the car that I thought it would break? Is actually made of rubber and is designed to be scratched and squashed and take the shock of us hitting the underside of the car. Let's watch it again. It's a pretty thoughtful design to add these 2 pieces of rubber underneath the front wheels. Till today, I'm still impressed with the BYD Seal design. I wonder if the other EV brands like the Tesla Model 3 Highlander and the Hyundai Ioniq 6 have this sort of thoughtful designs. Let me know in the comments if you have a Model 3 or Ioniq 6. If you are wondering how did I take all these cool camera shots? No, I'm not holding my camera as I drive, that would be crazy. This is my Insta360 Ace Pro action camera and it's mounted on this super double suction camera mount by Smallrig. I bought both of them myself with my own money, and I had lots of fun playing with them. You don't need to do action sports in order to have fun with an action camera. Look at how good the stabilization is. I highly recommend this Insta360 Ace Pro point and shoot camera if you are thinking of getting a fun camera like this. My Amazon affiliate links are in the description down below. Thanks for watching this one and I'll see you in the next video.